Assalamu alaikum. I want to show you something today. I've got with me a cucumber. I've also got here a knife and a chopping board. And the reason I've got all of these things is I want to illustrate something to you. If I can show you this chopping board, it's got 10 slices of cucumber on it. And the reason for that is I want to illustrate something by example. I want to talk to you about zakat. We know zakat is compulsory if you meet the conditions. We know it's one of the 5 pillars of Islam. But still sometimes when it comes to giving zakat, at that time 2.5% seems like such a huge amount. At that time sometimes we're looking for ways as to how we can reduce the amount we have to give. We're trying to make excuses perhaps. It feels like, when it shouldn't, a burden. What I want to show you today with this chopping board is that when we put that into the context of what everything that Allah Ta'ala has given us, because of course all of our wealth is from Him, then what small amount 2.5% actually is. So if this chopping board and these 10 slices of cucumber were to represent all of our wealth and assets, how much of that does Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala want us to give? This small piece over here. The rest for us to keep, for us to enjoy. This small piece over here is what amounts to our zakat. So please, 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 make sure you give your zakat on time, give it fully, speak to scholars to make sure you work out your zakat properly, and of course, when you're giving your zakat, please remember Dawat Islami, this organization which is spreading the beautiful message of the Quran and the Sunnah all around the world. Remember Dawat Islami when giving your zakat.